If you have a pineapple that you think might be unripe, give it a sniff. A pineapple may be ripe even when it's green, so smelling it is a more reliable way to tell than looking at it. If the pineapple smells sweet, it's probably ripe. But if it has very little smell, it's likely to be unripe. To encourage the pineapple to ripen and soften, leave it on your counter for 1 to 2 days at room temperature. You can also try storing it upside down, which may help the natural sugars in the pineapple spread throughout the fruit and sweeten it. Unfortunately, if the pineapple was unripe before it was picked, it probably won't get much sweeter. However, it should soften a bit. If you're not ready to eat the pineapple yet after leaving it out for a day or two, keep it in the fridge for another 2 to 4 days so it doesn't spoil. Once you're ready to eat the pineapple, cut or twist off the stem and use a sharp knife to slice away the rind and eyes. Cut the fruit inside into rounds or chunks. If you want, you can bring out the natural sweetness of the pineapple by cooking it a little. Grilling or baking pineapple will caramelize the sugars. Another option is to simmer the pineapple. This won't make it any sweeter, but it will neutralize some of the bromelain, a harsh natural compound in unripe pineapple that can irritate your mouth and stomach. For extra sweetness, sprinkle sugar over the pineapple pieces before you eat them. Just be cautious about eating a pineapple that is very underripe. It can irritate your throat and cause an upset stomach or diarrhea.